Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going for that effortlessly chic vibe, a natural makeup look that's perfect for every day. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just want to look fresh and put together, this tutorial's got you covered. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start with a clean, moisturized face. Hydrated skin is the key to any natural look. It keeps your makeup looking fresh and dewy all day. First up, primer. I'm using a lightweight, hydrating primer to create a smooth canvas. This will help your makeup last longer and give your skin a subtle glow. Use a beauty sponge to blend it in for that seamless second skin finish. For those areas that need a little extra coverage, like under the eyes or any blemishes, I'm using a lightweight concealer. Just dab it on and gently blend with your ring finger or a brush. For that fresh, rosy glow, use a cream blush in a natural pink shade. Smile and dab it onto the apples of your cheeks, then blend upwards towards your temples. Cream blush gives you that lit-from-within look. Now, onto the brows. We want them to look defined but still natural, so I'm using a brow pencil to lightly fill them in, following the natural shape of my brows. Remember, less is more. For the eyes, keep it simple with a soft brown eyeshadow. Just sweep it across your lids for a bit of definition without looking too done up. No natural look is complete without curled lashes. It makes a big difference while still keeping the look natural. For the lips, we're going for something soft and natural. A tinted lip balm or nude gloss is perfect. It adds just a hint of color and keeps your lips hydrated and plump. Next, we're keeping it light with a tinted moisturizer. This evens out your skin tone without feeling heavy. To keep everything in place, set with a light dusting of translucent powder, especially in the T-zone. This keeps the shine at bay while still allowing your skin's natural radiance to shine through. And there you have it. A simple, natural makeup look that enhances your beauty without overpowering it. This look is all about enhancing your features and letting your natural beauty shine through. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tutorials and tips. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep it natural.